My name is Ray Houck, and Aclipse Therapeutics is focused on the development of two novel drug candidates for the treatment of diseases of high unmet needs. Our lead product is for the treatment of gastroparesis, which is the delayed stomach emptying of foods. There are 600,000 patients in the US with a high hospitalization rate. Over half of these patients have severe or very severe disease. 2/3 of these patients are dissatisfied with their current treatments. Why are they dissatisfied? It's because all the current treatments are only treating the symptoms of the disease and do not treat the underlying biology of the disease. Aclipse's drug M107 is the first drug for gastroparesis that's actually going after the underlying biology of the disease. How are we doing that? Gastroparesis is caused by the body producing an overabundance of M1 pro-inflammatory macrophages, which M107, our drug, corrects. Thus, M107 is driving the body back to normal stomach emptying. M107 is an oral small molecule that's been approved in South Korea and only in South Korea, and thus has a safety database of over 3,600 patients. Aclipse has the worldwide exclusive license for M107 for all diseases, and the FDA has told us that we can proceed to a phase 2 human clinical trial. We have patent life to 2043, and the gastroparesis market is estimated at nearly $6 billion and growing. We project the M107 peak sales opportunity to be over $1 billion a year. We have received excellent product traction from both of our products. For M107, we've gotten tremendous buy-in from the key opinion leaders in gastroparesis. These are the physicians that write the majority of the scientific literature in the disease, and we have that go-ahead from the FDA. For our second product, which is called M102 for the treatment of ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease, we have received $5.1 million of non-dilutive grants, which fully fund M102 into its phase 1 clinical trial. We also have excellent traction with potential strategic acquirers. We have a very experienced management team that's poised to advance Aclipse to the next value inflection points. My management team was predominantly from my previous company, Thar Pharmaceuticals, where we had a product that we eventually sold to Grünenthal out of Germany. So we have done this all before, both in terms of developing new drugs and in selling our companies and those products. Aclipse is advancing to significant value inflection points. After this current round, we plan a $25 million round in late 2023 that could be an institutional, private, strategic, or public round. And we already have a venture investor who wants to lead or co-lead that larger round. This drives us to significant value inflections in the $400 to $600 million range based upon comparables, and we have significant potential acquirers. We're seeking a $5 million convertible note round. We've already closed $1.6 million of that. The round has a 20% discount to the next equity round or a valuation cap of $20 million, whichever is less, and we project an investor cash-on-cash return of up to 24x. So thank you very much, and please join us in a breakout room where we can answer your more in-depth questions. Thank you for Aclipse Therapeutics.